Hey everyone! I'm here today to talk about something that might just transform your financial future. Saving money and why investing it wisely can actually make you rich. Yes, you heard that right. So buckle up, because over the next few minutes, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Let's start with the basics. Why save money? Well, saving money creates a safety net. That alone can reduce stress, knowing you're covered in case of an emergency. But there's more to it than just playing it safe. Saving money is your first step towards making more money. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Saving is tough. And I get it, especially when you're young and there are so many things you want to do and buy. But even small amounts can add up. Think about skipping that extra coffee once a week or cooking at home instead of eating out. These little changes can grow your savings faster than you might think. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Investing. Saving money is great, but what makes it grow? Investments. Investing is like planting a seed. You start with something small, but given the right conditions and time, it can grow into something substantial. There are tons of investment options out there. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and even investing in startups or businesses. Each has its own risk and potential reward, and it's crucial to choose wisely based on your own financial situation and risk tolerance. Let's talk about stocks. They can be a great way to grow your wealth as they offer higher potential returns compared to other investment types. By buying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company. If the company does well, so do you. If it doesn't, your stock value might decrease. That's the risk. Real estate, on the other hand, involves buying physical property. It's a tangible investment and can provide steady income through rent, not to mention the potential for property value appreciation. And let's not forget about bonds. These are generally safer than stocks. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to an entity like a government or a corporation. In return, they pay you interest over the life of the bond. It's a more predictable, albeit usually lower, return. Now, why is all this important? Because the earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compound interest. It's the concept of earning interest on your interest, and over time, this can add up significantly. So start small if you need to, but start now. Open a savings account if you don't have one yet. Consider setting aside a portion of your income regularly, and then start exploring your investment options. Remember, it's about making your money work for you. And before we wrap up, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more where this came from, and I'd love to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember, the path to wealth starts with a single step. Start saving, start investing, and start growing your wealth today. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice.